Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today we're answering your questions, and I have a great friend and an expert, Paul Moore of Wellings Capital. Paul, can you tell us the difference from your perspective? What is the difference between residential and commercial real estate investing?
Well, I flipped dozens of houses over the years, and I found that if I spent too much on it, I might get in trouble. And I actually heard a story the other day where someone spent, I think it was $500,000 renovating this beautiful old house in downtown Lynchburg where I live. The problem is the neighborhood only comped out at about $250,000, meaning that the comparable properties held the value down to a much lower level. And the problem is residential real estate is based on comps. It's based on the neighborhood. It's based on the size and all those other amenities. Commercial real estate is not at all based on comps. It's based on math. Now, your mama always told you you needed to do good in math class, and this is why. So you could buy commercial real estate. Seriously. You can force appreciation in commercial real estate because the value is based on a math formula, and that formula is value equals net operating income divided by rate of return, or cap rate. It's sort of like the price to earnings ratio in the stock market, if you're familiar with that. So it's a simple matter of driving up the net operating income in a predictable way and hoping and counting on a cap rate that you can outrun. What do I mean by that? Well, the cap rate is the denominator of that equation. I called it rate of return a minute ago. And so if you can drive net operating income faster than the cap rate expands in the denominator, and it doesn't expand that much that often. But if you can do that in a predictable way, you can create a lot of value and a lot of return for your investors. I would say far more predictably than in residential real estate.
Paul, thank you for joining us today and for your expertise.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.